Hello, Asvar. Sorry I haven't gotten back to you recently. I've been sick the past few days, but I want to get moving forward right away. So I'm going to go ahead and edit both those sites tonight, and right now I'm going to go ahead and show you what I mean by YP Yellow. We're also going to change the listings that we use for citations. We're going to use the listings that appear in this scan. So I want you to go to addsolutions.yp.com, as you see right here on the top of the screen. Click Scan My Listings. The company we're going to run is Sparkling Blue Pool Service. It's a company that I built the website for myself. $1650 is the number, 632 1650, the 561 area code. First name is Linda. All of this will just match all the information that you have for each profile. Last name Koshin. Okay, it's going to say loading scan. It takes a couple minutes. I just did this a minute ago. Alright, now, first thing you'll notice is it's on Yahoo, not on Bing. There's no reviews on Facebook. So each thing, when I want you to go through it, I want you to make sure it's listed and then make sure it has a review. So I'm going to have you do each of my websites that I already have at the $5 an hour rate. First thing I want you to do is add a Bing for this company. No, have more reviews. Don't worry about it if it says it has more reviews. As long as it has a review, I'm not worried about it. Now I want you to use all of these as the areas that we're going to put citations so that we have one way to check them all. Don't worry about the citation list that I gave you before. This is the new citation list. As you can see, you're going to need to add a city search. Show me local database, topics, all the ones you can see that are not listed. If they don't have a review, put one review up, so on and so forth. So this is what I want you to do for every site. Once you've created the citations, come to this list and make sure that every one of these lists is completed. And that's how we're going to do our citations from now on. That way I can check them, you can check them, everything's been verified. Anything that was on the citation list, except for one, there's going to be one data aggregator that I also want you to use. But other than that, I just want you to use these citations from now on. I'll go to continue and I'll see what else it says. We're not going to pay for any of this. We're just going to use the little citation checker thing. So, just to reiterate one more time, on every new site and existing site, we need to have all these citations completed on every single one of these so that there's 100% accurate listing instead of 55%. And if there's no review, add one review. That's it.